Hi, Shashikant.
Hi, ma'am. Good
How are
afternoon,
you?
ma'am.
Yeah,
Fine,
good
ma'am.
afternoon. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
Fine, I'm good, Shashikant. Just a feedback interview from your side. Yeah,
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
your introduction.
Yeah, my name is Shashikant. My name is Shashikant, ma'am. I am from Bidar district, Umnabad, ma'am. And I completed my BE in Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering in civil engineering. 2020 batch out, ma'am.
Okay, fine. How did you get to know CMTI?
From Google, ma'am. I searched. I have some in my mind, like in getting knowledge about construction, like interior. And so I searched about some institute. I got to know about this CMTI, ma'am.
Okay. Then what and all you learned in CMTI apart from your syllabus? What were the subject that was new to you?
Yeah, ma'am. In colleges and all, we are learned like theoretically, but in CMTI, we learned the industrial. What are the things happening in the market or industrial, like in construction industry? We learned lot like that. Practical knowledge we got from CMTI.
Okay. Then how was the trainer's approach while doing the courses and all?
Yeah, nice, ma'am. They are very friendly and very cooperative. Every time we have any doubts, mean they will clear. Yeah, good, ma'am.
Okay. Then what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
Yeah, any some any classes we miss means we can catch there and how to crack interview and all like that. This CMT app will be help us.
Okay. Then what about CMTI staffs?
Yeah, good, ma'am. Nice, ma'am. I want to thank all the CMTI staffs, Ashok sir, Natarajan sir, and you, ma'am, Aruna ma'am, and all.
Okay. Fine. How was your experience in CMTI?
Yeah, it's nice, ma'am. Good. I learned lot from here.
Okay. Then what do you want to say to your friends and Julius Shashikant?
Yeah, you can join if you have any like you want to go to in construction, you want to knowledge about construction, detailed construction knowledge and interior knowledge, you can join CMTI. It's a good.
Thank you, Shashikant. That was a good feedback from your side.
Thank
And
you, ma'am.
once again, like, I wish all the best for your future.
Thank you, ma'am.
We'll see you soon. Thank you, Shashikant.